Hey everyone. Now we're going to recap the 2025 Buick Envista ADAS series by going through how we saved our documentation and what documentation there is to back up our visual assertions and our interior assertions about ADAS features that the vehicle has that we see controls for. Now we want to match them to sensors to see if we were right or wrong. You'll see I have everything categorized by a folder. In the rear bumper related folder, you'll find all the documents related to the actual service performed. In the not related folder, you would find information that I searched for in the previous videos saved in PDF files. Going through some of this information helps us answer lots of questions that we may have about this vehicle and how the ADAS systems function in particular. The first file is the driver assistance systems component. So here we see a front view camera, the left blind spot, right blind spot, the rear view mirror glass, which is going to be the left side or the right side, the instrument cluster, collision alert indicators, the multi-function switch, which is your turn signals and wipers, and steering wheel controls on the left-hand side. You will notice there is no radar sensor mentioned in the driver assistance system component list. That means there's no radar sensor, but the vehicle has adaptive cruise. In this case, they're using the front view camera for lane keep and adaptive cruise, a choice that the manufacturer makes not to have a backup system. Although many vehicles use a radar sensor for distance control, not all vehicles do. We're learning that newer vehicles may put all of this on the front view camera with no redundancy like a radar sensor. We've seen it in Teslas, and this is clearly how GM handles it in the Buick Envista. We've also seen this system in 2026 Honda Civics, where we have radar distance, but do not have a radar sensor. And being that GM and Honda are sharing platforms with Honda's EV in the market, it's possible that these components are now making their crossover into certain Honda lines. This document provides an easy way to find exactly what is loaded into the vehicle from a hardware perspective. And the other document that we have is we can go into the adaptive cruise control description and operation. There it will tell us the list of components that the adaptive cruise uses in determining how it functions. We do not see a radar sensor, but we do see every module that adaptive cruise uses to make its decisions when activated. I've saved these folders for many years to help me store information that I breeze through when performing ADAS calibrations. This then allows me to reference back anything that I may have forgotten, or if I have a similar year, make, model vehicle, I can always check this documentation to understand the system quickly and efficiently, looking up the most recent information with the OE subscription to help me know if I'm missing any gaps. If you're not verifying what's actually on the vehicle, you're guessing. And in ADAS, guessing is where bad calibrations start. Thanks everybody for listening. Feel free to leave any comments below. Have a great day.